My name is the super sexy, super fabulous, and much more desirable Soraya Sorbata. Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to my show. Holas, my loves. This episode is dedicated to my Titi. In Spanish, that means aunt, and her name is Ida. And happy birthday, Titi. I miss you so much. So my aunt's birthday is today. So my aunt and I, oh my god, when I was a little kid, I had so much fun with her. She took me to see a movie in the city. It was a love story, and that was really cool. I had a good time with her. And then as I got older, I grew up in the suburbs and she was in the Bronx. I really wanted to experience the Puerto Rican Bronx vibe. I wasn't experiencing a heavy Puerto Rican vibe at all in Long Island. My parents moved to North Babylon and there weren't many Puerto Ricans in the hood. So many summers and Thanksgivings and Christmas vacations while I was in school, I spent it with my aunt and my cousins in the Bronx, Parkchester, Commonwealth Avenue, Dorset, number 6, that vibe. And I always had a great time with her. And actually she was the first family member that really understood me to be queer and really invited me into her home. Even before I knew I was queer, I think she knew, and she was really cool. The downsides of that was, I was a boy with attraction to other boys. It was really difficult, I think she didn't know what to expect from me and how I was interacting with my cousins, my cousin Aidita, Michael and Ray. It was kind of complicated. It felt awkward. It was hard growing up queer. So I would cook for them and she'd let me do my recipes and she would really appreciate the effort that I put into cooking. She appreciated me, and I like to think that my cousins too, liked having me around. I was having a blast with them. It got me to experience the Puerto Rican vibe in the Bronx, that I was not getting that vibe in Long Island. So I wanted to stay cool. To me they were cooler than us in Long Island, because they were they were like Bronx Ricans. I don't know what it was. Maybe because they were all thin, and in my family we were all heavy and fat. But yeah, I miss them and I miss my aunt. So may she continue to be well in health, and I have really good memories of her. I'll see if I can find some pictures and post it in this episode. Let's see if there's anything else I want to talk about. No, I think that's it.